In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add email list in Brevo. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Brevo account to create an email campaign, choose your recipients from your lists, set your subject line, design the email, and send it right away. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Brevo dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Marketing. This section is where Brevo keeps the tools for running email campaigns and other marketing messages. After you click Marketing, choose Campaigns. This takes you to the area where you can view past campaigns and start a new one. Next, click the button to create a new campaign. When the options appear, select Email. Brevo supports different campaign types, so choosing email ensures you are building a standard email campaign that can be sent to a saved list of contacts. Now you will be prompted to name your campaign. Enter a clear campaign name that helps you recognize it later in your reporting, such as a newsletter title, a promotion name, or a date-based label. Once you have named it, click to create the campaign. Brevo will then open the campaign setup screen, where you can fill in the key details. From here, you will move through the main parts of the email: recipients, subject, and design. In the recipients section, select the email list you want to send to. This is the step where your email list is applied to the campaign, so take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct list before continuing. Then set your subject line. Keep it relevant to the message you are sending, and make sure it matches what your recipients will see when they open their inbox. After that, go to the design portion. This is where you build the content of the email. Add your text and any other elements you need, and review the layout carefully so it reads well on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks correct, click Schedule. In the scheduling options, select Send Now. This will send your email campaign immediately to the recipients list you chose. That covers everything you need to know.